Hello everyone, very excited to do a little walkthrough in this video of video clipping. This is something that people have wanted for a really long time and we're excited to introduce. And we have tried to make it you having very granular fine control over the clips you're making all the way down to full automation of clips using the wonderful AI that Speak has included. So you can see there is a clips icon that's got a nice new symbol beside it. And if you are creating clips at the folder level, this will be a library for all your clips that you have created. Now, if I want to go on an individual file level, I will also see a clips section on the sidebar here, and you'll see specifically the clips that you've created that video. So let's take a second to actually walk through creating clips, and I'll show you both methods here. Again, using more of a manual control mechanism, and then all the way to the fully automated AI version of it. So you can see there is a clip icon here. It's the scissors. We're going to standardize that throughout. And so I would actually go hit the clipping mechanism right here. And then immediately you can see where the speaker icons were has actually been converted into text boxes. So I can now start to click these. I can select all of those clips. And what's great about this is that it actually allows you to use the search function. So I can see the word app as an example. And now, now I could select all the moments where app is actually in the transcript. So a great way to create videos about actual themes and topics that are appearing in your videos. And then all I have to do is now hit the create clip icon. You're going to see a couple options here. One, which is the actual title of the video. Another, which is a description. This is optional. Tags, if you want to add any tags, and this is a great way to just organize the clips that you're creating. And then you can also see that there are start times and end times. This can allow you to fine tune the clips slightly if you want to add a little bit more time to it. So it looks like he was talking about Justin Bieber. Got two segments here. You can see the total duration the clip's going to be. That's 21 seconds. And then now I've got my Justin Bieber clip. No need for a description or tag. In this instance, I can hit create, and now you can see that the clip job has been initiated successfully. So we can go in here. You can see that the clip is being processed. You can see the moments in the transcript there, and in a moment, this will be back and ready to play. You can see the thumbnail is there. That's fantastic. A great addition to it. And now I can see.
My favorite and most successful app is Bustin' Jeeber, which is a Justin Bieber whack-a-mole.
Beautiful. Fantastic way to create, again, a little moment from a video or audio file that's valuable to you. I can edit that name. I can download the file itself, or I can delete it. Now, you can, as you add more clips, you can start to search through those clips if you're starting to create a bigger library. And if I go back to the folder level, you can see the clip is there as well. Okay, so that's the more manual control over the clipping mechanism. So now I wanted to show you how you can use the AI itself. And so I have this video here. This is a focus group that we're seeing, and I've got some chat that was already taking place on the right hand side. But if I want to create a new chat, I can now go here. I can type in new chat, and so I'm looking at this video, and there's some really interesting pieces here, and I want to create a clip based on maybe a certain topic or point of discussion from this video. So I can simply go to the chat. I can hit new chat, and I'm going to say, so I'm going to go to the chat here. I'm going to say, summarize the discussion moments around social media. And we can see a great response has come back about media consumption and bias, impact in voting. But now what I can do is I can take a quick look and I can see all the references. And this is something that's been a long time part of Speak, where we actually want to show you how we arrived at this answers and give you that exact moment. Now what we can do is actually use this response, and I can simply go here. I can say, create a clip. This was a social media discussion about politics. You can see, again, those time ranges that were there. And then all I have to do is hit the create. So I can see, again, that job was initiated, and you will start to see that appearing in the clip segment. Now, this one was a little bit longer with the AI response. We ended up at about 3 minutes and 30 seconds, but now you have a highlight reel that you can send, download to team members, to clients, all about the discussion around social media. And what might have taken hours to create originally, you can create in just seconds using Speak's combination of the AI chat and now this wonderful video clipping mechanism. And you can see the video is now back in just seconds, and you can watch that video again. You can see the different moments in the transcript there, and you've now got an entire video based around the social media discussion for this individual video. I want to show one last thing. I think this is an absolutely incredible piece. You can also do this at the folder level. So I can look across many videos at once and actually create video clips or audio clips using all the videos from that data set, from that folder. So in this case, I've got a great data set of some TED Talks here, and I want to go into the chat. I'm now looking at all the files, and I want to say, summarize moments where speakers were thankful. It's now sifting through the entire folder, and it's giving me a bit of context in the actual AI response, but I can see here in the references that multiple videos were talking about being thankful, and it's not just looking at and it's not just looking at one video, it's actually combining them all together. Really fantastic capability there. On one video, it could probably save you hours. On this, it's dozens of hours that are saved immediately. All I have to do is now hit clip and say thankful compilation, and now I can go and hit create. That clip job is created successfully. And now when I go to clips at that folder level, we can see a 13-minute file. So a lot of gratefulness in this video is actually being created. That will come back in just a moment, and we'll be able to download that, share that with others, and really watch that back and see all the moments that thankfulness had come together. Now, that's just one example. You can look at this as maybe you're trying to find moments. You're trying to find specific themes, discussion topics, a lot of great functionality that is capable here with this video clipping process. And so while we wait for this video to come back, I want to thank you for checking this out. I hope you love this functionality as much as we do. Again, this has been a long time requested functionality in the platform. If you have any ideas or requests around this, please feel encouraged to get in contact. We always love seeing how we can improve the platform alongside you.